is going to be about ensemble sets, that is mix and match. You can buy only the fabric, you can buy only the dupatta, you can buy them as a set. Bottom आपको चंदेरी लेनी है, silk लेनी है, जो भी चाहिए you can tell us and we will accordingly calculate and let you know. Okay, the set I am wearing, this is also an ensemble set. I'm going to show you this fabric. It's fabulous jal fabric in pure katan silk. इसको हमने ये कोरा सिल्क के दुपट्टे के साथ पेयर किया. इट्स लुकिंग फैबुलस एज यू ऑल कैन सी. जस्ट गोना कम क्लोज, शो यू द दुपट्टा and this is the fabric. Just have a nice look, and these are the detailings we've given on the neck and sleeves, and it's come out beautifully well. So this is a set. और इसके साथ आप चंदेरी बॉटम ले सकते हो. You can go for a silk bottom as you want to. मैंने चंदेरी पहना है, but it's up to you. अगर आपको अच्छा वेडिंग फंक्शन में पहनना है, घर की शादी या किसी भी शादी में भी जाने के लिए पहनना है, go for a silk bottom. That looks more graceful. But it's totally up to you. Okay guys, now this is a beautiful jamewar fabric in a peach color. You can see from close up. It's a fabulous fabric, बहुत soft होता है. Okay, just ड्यूल टोन है इसमें. as you can see, इसको हमने ये कतान से दुपट्टे के साथ पेयर किया है, and it's looking fabulously well. By chance, even the dupatta has that same tone, same dual tone, and it's going fabulously well with one another. I think the dupatta is for 18620. Yes, the dupatta is for 18620. The fabric is 4020 per meter. और अगर आपको सेम ऑन सेम करना है फॉर द बॉटम, यू कैन डू दैट, बिकॉज इसमें ड्यूल टोन है. तो अगर हम आपको डाई करके देते हैं तो एक ही कलर आएगा, बट वी डू इट वेरी क्लोज टू द मेन कलर ऑफ द फैब्रिक, तो ड्यूल टोन डाई नहीं होता है. Okay guys, this is another brocade fabric, a fabulous one with the print. background में आप सब पूरा शिकारगा जाल print देख रहे हो, jungle print, sorry not जाल, and ऊपर पूरा brocade किया है. It's a very soft fabric. This is the back side of the fabric, and as you can see, it's very flowy. This is one last cut we have. So 2.5 मीटर का है, but एक ही है. 3 मीटर है. ओके, 3 मीटर्स है. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा वी पेयर्ड इट अप विद. इट्स अ टिश्यू दुपट्टा, fabulously perfect color match, and it's a beautiful dupatta, very light, very soft, and very versatile. You can carry this dupatta with many other outfits of yours, as tissue goes with many other fabrics too. So okay guys, moving ahead, showing you this fabulous raw silk fabric in a rankat style dyeing. kadwa bootas hai fabric pe. Okay, let me open the thon. It's quite a bit. मैं खुद चेक कर रही हूँ कि सीधा कौन सा है उल्टा कौन सा है. Just let me. Yeah, this is the right side. So you can see all the beautiful colors flowing in. बहुत अच्छे shades लिए हैं इसमें rankat dyeing में. So just have a close look of the fabric first. kadwa bootas हैं with a touch of meena, and this is the dupatta we paired it up with. This is a pure katan silk dupatta in kadwa, and you can see how gorgeous the set is. So these sets are one of a kind, unique. You won't find them anywhere else. So they will make you stand out in the crowd because they are made by us. So they are very unique. Okay, this is another brocade fabric in ivory or cream base color. As you can see, cream है एकदम proper, and brocade है with a touch of pink meena, and this is the tissue dupatta we paired it up with. So आप इन सेट्स में खाली दुपट्टा ले सकते हो अगर आपको दुपट्टा पसंद आ रहा है, and you feel you have something in your wardrobe जिसके साथ ये जाएगा, or you can buy them as a set, या फिर खाली फैब्रिक ले सकते हो if you are liking the fabric. दुपट्टा price is, just let me check please. Okay, it's 12,620 for this dupatta. It's in tissue, and it's a fabric is 4020. So go for a plain bottom. You can do a cord set also, whatever you want. Cord set mein matlab you can take the bottom also same. And okay, now moving ahead, this is one again beautiful set. It's a perfect match with this dupatta. This is our pure katan silk fabric with सोना रूपा स्ट्राइप्स. ये स्ट्राइप्स वैसे हॉरिजॉन्टल हैं, बट आप चाहिए तो इसको वर्टिकल भी बना सकते हैं. यू हैव टू चेक विद योर टेलर्स कि कितना फैब्रिक लगेगा अगर वर्टिकल करनी है तो. Okay, this is the Kora dupatta with it, with meenakari. It's beautiful, gorgeous dupatta. I think the dupatta is for 12620. How much? Okay, just let me check. I'm not sure. 17,020 the dupatta is for. Okay, the fabric is 3620 per meter, I think. Still, you can check with us, take a screenshot, come on a WhatsApp number. Okay, the easiest and the best way to shop is take a screenshot of whatever you like from our videos, lives, or our page. कोई picture है, post है, take a screenshot, come on a WhatsApp number, chat with us. कुछ जानना है, कुछ पूछना है, you can ask. Or otherwise, if you're ready to pay, just make your payments and the piece is yours and we ship it, and within India 4 to 5 working days. अगर overseas है within 5 to 6 working days the piece reaches you. अगर कोई डाइंग का काम है तो just consider 2-3 दिन डाइंग में लगते हैं. Otherwise, if it's ready to ship, then we ship it the very next day your payment is done. Okay guys, another beautiful Katan silk fabric in dual tone. It's a very nice shade of lavender. As you can see, कड़वा बूटीज हैं और धूप छांव है. इसके साथ हमने टिश्यू का दुपट्टा पेयर किया है. And just let me open it. Oh, it's going gorgeously well with it. It's beautiful set again. So you can see how I'm carrying the dupatta. It's very easy to manage, very easily carryable. And इसके साथ अगर आप same on same करेंगे ऊपर नीचे, it's gonna look fabulous. As I told you, it has a dual tone धूप छांव, तो मैचिंग सिंगल कलर में ही होता है. तो वी विल जस्ट पिक अप द मेन कलर, बट उसमें बूटीज इतनी छोटी हैं कि यू कैन इजिली डू सेम ऑन सेम ऊपर नीचे, तो दैट विल लुक मच क्लासियर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटीफुल सेट. इट्स अगेन इन ड्यूल टोन. पिंक है, पिंक के साथ थोड़ा सा टच ऑफ येलो आ रहा है. आप जैसे कि ऊपर व्यूइंग में देख सकते हो धागा डाला हुआ है येलो का. सो इट्स कमिंग, इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल धूप छांव शेड ऑफ पिंक. So this is exactly matched to this Katan silk dupatta in jal. You can see how fabulous and gorgeous the set is. So I think iska humne ek short video dala tha and we got so many queries and you all loved it. So I'm showing you this in the main video so that you can have a nice look. So you can see how fabulous the set is looking. So isme aap plain silk bottom ya plain chanderi bottom le sakte ho if you want to. Okay, I think this is the last set for the live, and it's a beautiful Katan by Satin fabric in stripes. This is vertical stripes. There's no booties, no zari. It's a non-zari fabric. इस पे आप कुछ embellishment कराना है, इसको और रिच करना है, कुछ embroidery करानी है, कोई लेसिंग देनी है, you can highlight in any way you want to. ये इतने सुंदर फैब्रिक्स होते हैं कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो इनके साथ. So lovely the dupatta is. It's a tissue Katan silk by tissue dupatta. It's a fabulous piece again. Kadwa mein hai, and you can see how gorgeous this mango yellow is. So guys, to shop, just take a screenshot, come on a WhatsApp number. We ship worldwide and shipping within India is completely free. Thank you. Have a great day.